In this video, I'll show you 10 settings that I recommend changing right away. Whether you're using an older Intel MacBook or a newer Apple Silicon Mac, these tips will help you get the best experience. Let's get started. 1. Enable Tap to Click. The first setting is Tap to Click. Instead of physically pressing the trackpad, you can simply tap it once. It feels much faster and makes everyday navigation more comfortable. Go to Trackpad Settings and enable Tap to Click. 2. Show battery percentage. Next, enable battery percentage. Instead of just seeing the battery icon, you'll always know the exact battery level. This helps you decide when it's time to charge your Mac. 3. Turn on FileVault. For better security, enable FileVault. This encrypts your data, making it much harder for anyone to access your files if your MacBook is lost or stolen. If you keep important documents on your Mac, this is definitely worth enabling. 4. Configure hot corners. Hot corners are a hidden productivity feature. You can assign actions like locking your Mac, opening Mission Control, or starting the screensavers simply by moving your mouse to a corner of the screen. It's a great time saver. 5. Enable Find My Mac. Make sure Find My Mac is turned on. If your MacBook is ever lost, you can locate it, lock it remotely, or erase your data to keep your information safe. 6. Turn on Night Shift. If you use your Mac at night, enable Night Shift. It reduces blue light and makes the display easier on your eyes. This can make late-night work or study more comfortable. 7. Customize your dock. Now let's customize the dock. You can reduce the dock size to create more screen space, enable magnification so icons zoom when you hover over them, and turn on automatically hide and show the dock for a cleaner desktop. You can also remove shortcuts for apps you don't use often. Remember, removing an app from the dock doesn't delete it, it only removes the shortcut. 8. Turn on automatic updates. Next, make sure automatic updates are turned on. This helps keep your Mac secure by automatically installing the latest security patches, bug fixes, and performance improvements. You won't have to remember to check for updates manually, and your Mac will always stay up to date. Nine. Reduce transparency. If you're using an older MacBook, I highly recommend enabling Reduce Transparency. This reduces the visual effects in macOS, making the interface feel more responsive and easier on your Mac's hardware. It's a small change, but it can make a noticeable difference on older Intel Macs. 10. Enable 3-finger drag. This lets you move windows and drag files using 3 fingers on the trackpad without pressing down. It makes multitasking much easier and feels much more natural. Once you start using it, you'll probably never want to turn it off. And finally, check your login items. Some apps automatically launch every time you start your Mac, which can slow down the startup process and use memory in the background. Remove any apps you don't need to open automatically. Don't worry, this doesn't uninstall the apps. It simply prevents them from launching when you sign in, helping your Mac start faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to SR Tech Lab. Thanks for watching.